Hello, I am Owen, and I'm going to seventh grade. And the project I did was line tracing, and the goal of the challenge was to make my robot go around the track and stay on the black line only. And so I had to create a threshold, and I had to move my um, I had to move my sensor because it was too far out from the body, and then I also uh, so I worked on the project for about like a couple hours, maybe an hour. I don't know. And I was just like learning how to do the basics like before that. And then